Hello friends, welcome back to my home, or welcome if you are new. My name is Nicole and this is a simplistic home, and here on my channel I share all things intentional living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. And in today's video I am taking you along with me for a fall home tour. So I have decorated my house for fall probably about a month and a half ago, and I have an entire fall playlist dedicated to all of the fall content from this season and the 2024 year. So if you are interested in a ton of fall content, be sure to check that out. I will have it linked down below in the description box. But this year I went ahead and decorated our living room, dining room, and kitchen area. And then outside I also have a few pumpkins on my step along with a wreath as well. But the overall goal and just the overall vibe of our home, I just wanted to keep it very traditional and nod to those just very beautiful and festive fall colors that you see outside, and just bring those in our home for that organic feel. I do love a very timeless and traditional home decor style, and I like to add a little bit of old world charm to it as well. So along with that, I do love a lot of pattern and texture and more old, like kind of antique looking pieces as far as furniture goes. And I just love that cozy and warm feel that they bring to the space. So if you are a lover of those design styles and just decorating styles in general, be sure to stick around because I have a ton of content geared towards those things. But also, don't forget to subscribe if you are new because I would love to have you. But here in our living room, I just kept it warm and cozy, and just wanted to incorporate subtle touches of fall by changing out stems on my in my vases, and then I also added a few pumpkins and some plaid pattern throughout the room.